Fully automatic shelling plant with high shelling rate, get the perfect cashew nuts kernel. Save labor costs and achieve rapid profitability. According to the different needs of customers, different solution can be customized. For this shelling line, it is including feeding hopper lifting shelling part separating part dot. The shelling speed can be adjusted, it can be shelling different size cashew nut by adjusted blade distance of shelling machine. The equipment is manufactured by reasonable design and processing technology, can achieve the shelling rate greater than or equal to 98%, the whole kernel rate greater than or equal to 91%. Please tell us your requirement, we can provide the most suitable plan according to your needs.